Do you want to go to Caerphilly Castle?
Nah, you're right, mate.
Okay. What if I told you that Caerphilly Castle is one of the great medieval castles of Europe and is the second biggest castle in Britain? Would you want to go then?
No thanks.
Okay. What if I told you that it was built by Gilbert de Clare, the richest commoner and most powerful march lord of his day, to defend against Llywelyn the last Prince of Wales, and the design of Caerphilly Castle has been described as revolutionary in the history of castles in the United Kingdom? Would you want to go then, bearing in mind that it's a 50-minute drive from the house?
No, thank you.
Okay. What if I told you that the defences of Caerphilly Castle were so impressive that it was able to withstand a surprise attack from 10,000 men in January 1316, and the southeast tower leans more than the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa, and it looks like it's going to fall any second? Would you want to go then?
Yeah, all right.
Elis! El, help! El! I can't do this on my own, El! It's 1316, there's 10,000 soldiers arriving for a surprise attack any second! Quick! El! El, seriously! Elis! El, put the book down! I can't hold it much longer! Elis!
Live Welsh history through your imagination. Visit cadw.cymru.gov.uk to find an amazing site near you.